Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. TCS has started sending survey mails for 2023 batch. TCS also released joining letters and joining date for the 2023 batch for Ninja and digital roles. This is the screenshot of the survey mail. We hope you are doing well and keeping yourself safe and healthy. This survey is with reference to your offer of employment with TCS. The information requested here is required to plan for your onboarding. Please go through the options thoroughly and make your selection accurately. Your prompt and accurate updates will help us to prepare better for your onboarding with TCS. Survey will expire on 30 July 2023. Only few batches has received this survey mail and many of you have doubts regarding after receiving this survey mail when we can expect the joining letter. Well, yes, definitely you will receive the joining letter. TCS will issue joining letter to all offer accepted candidates. Your joining letter will be issued based on TCS business requirements. And these sentences was told by TCS Explore support team. And many digital candidates have received their joining date as 28th August and Ninja role candidates received 21st August as their joining date. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.